crack the malacca part.
Crack my face. You have to crack my face.
Not good. Where's the other one? I'll show you how.
Yeah, okay.
Find the flat part.
Flat part?
Yeah, there should be. Ba't walang flat na part?
May flat pa dapat.
It's the tip. The tip.
Ito yung matayan. Ito yung patulis. Yung patulis.
Vinegar, spicy.
Okay.
Sharp part.
Then you
Find the tip. Let's see. The other side. Look at how he did it.
Okay, so you cut.
There's a soup.
There's a soup.
No.
You have to sip it like you're sipping something.
Then remove the shell slowly. Just create a tiny hole.
Be careful. Be careful. There. You have to sip that juice.
Yeah, you put salt in it already.
No, even if you don't, just sip the juice first.
Yeah.
Try to taste the juice. Go.
Go and drink. It's toast.
How does it taste?
Tastes like crabs.
Like crabs.
Crabs, yeah.
Really go hard.
I go. And then.
It's like fish water.
Yes.
After drinking the
Put your
juice.
popcorn. Keep removing the shell.
Expose everything.
Yeah, expose it. Show it.
Show it what you got.
Oh my god.
See?
Like everyone's watching.
You're like an actress.
It's on camera.
Yeah.
Oh, it's on camera. Oh,
It's
no.
on camera.
Wala ba? Wala ko ba?
Parla, you have
Then put some salt or vinegar.
To taste.
But you don't have to
But
open
this
the
is
whole
chicken.
thing.
No,
There's
Yeah.
a chicken inside.
There's a chicken.
Surprise chicken.
Yeah, you
Kinder surprise.
should eat it first.
It's alive.
There. Eat the soft part first.
It moves.
What?
Eat that soft part.
Yeah, yellow part.
He exposed everything. Right.
Now put
Now
salt.
that's the whole thing. It's like a brain of an officer.
Oh my
Why are you guys
god.
eating
What
that?
is this? What is this?
It's
Put salt and bite.
no, don't put salt and then bite.
Okay. Where's the head? Is it inside?
It's in that white one, the black one that you see there. You can remove it.
Don't have to eat everything.
And you can eat first the yellow one. And then
Oh my god.
you eat the normal part.
Just a small one. You can eat that.
Hindi mo kaya yan?
Hindi ako kumakain.
Let's just eat this part.
Kanino naman yun?
I see later.
Skip that part then. So when I'm telling you, Con, you can have it. Just skip the part. It looks dangerous.
It's like boiling the egg.
If you put salt there and you don't see what's inside, you can eat that.
Really?
Yes.
There's nothing disgusting about that. You're eating chicken.
Look at her reaction.
This part is really.
See, that's the chicken.
It's a chicken.
It's a chicken. No. Okay.
Yay!
Yay!